a so that fx is continuous at x equal to 0, where fx given to be this. For x not 0, it is having the value 1 minus cos of ax divided by x sine of x. For x equal to 0, we are having fx to be 1 by 2. Now we need to get the value of a, right? What is given to us? That fx is continuous at x equal to 0. So writing this, since fx is continuous at x equal to 0, which means limit x tends to 0 on f of x is equal to f of 0. This is what the definition says. Let's get the value for the left hand side first. So this is equal to limit x tends to 0. Now here x is tending to 0. So we should write fx to be as 1 minus cos of ax by x into sine of x for x non-zero. In the denominator, let me multiply and divide by x so that I can get this in the bracket. So this becomes x square and this is in the bracket. What is 1 minus cos of ax? It is equal to twice of sine square ax by 2. So applying this in the next step, so we get 2 sine square ax divided by 2 in the numerator, and in the denominator we are having x square sine of x divided by x. Let me write this as x divided by sine of x into twice of sine square ax divided by 2 divided by x square. So this is equal to limit on the first bracket multiply by limit on the second bracket. And as we know that limit x tends to 0 on sine of x divided by x is equal to 1, and limit x tends to 0 on x divided by sine of x is also equal to 1, because we can write this as limit x tends to 0 on 1 divided by sine of x by x. So from that we get this to be equal to 1. So this limit is equal to 1. So this is equal to 1 into limit x tends to 0 twice of sine square ax divided by 2 divided by x square. Because I'm having ax divided by 2 and I'm having the power 2, so let me multiply and divide by a square by 4. Right? Limit x tends to 0 twice of a square divided by 4 into sine square ax divided by 2 whole divided by a square x square divided by 4. So this cancelled out. We get here a square by 2, and I can write the numerator as sine of ax by 2 whole square and the denominator as ax by 2 whole square. Taking this outside of the limit, we get a square by 2, limit x tends to 0, sine of ax by 2 divided by ax by 2 whole square. Right? And we understand that this limit is equal to 1, because limit t tends to 0 on sine of t divided by t is equal to 1. Here t is ax by 2, right? So this limit is 1. So we are getting a square by 2, right? That means limit x tends to 0 on f of x is equal to a square divided by 2. And from here we know that this left hand side limit is also equal to f of 0. And the function at x equal to 0 is 1/2. So this is equal to f of 0, which implies a square by 2 is equal to, this is given to be as 1/2. That further implies a square equal to 1, which further implies a equal to plus minus 1. Alright, thank you.